Look at you with bloody LEDs, eh? Think you can blind me?
Oh, have all three, eh? Oh, that's some cute lights you got there, eh?
Just let the HIDs warm up.
Holy good to get bad.
Told ya. Arrived at the 4B track and we're gonna deflate our tyres now. 18 PSI. So, you ready to go? Back, yeah. Oh shit, there's a plastic bottle there. Right, just up that hill, yeah?
Yeah, we'll get up the hill and probably turn in.
Yeah.
And go down, you know, the hill that we freaked out on.
Yeah.
Go down that one, way to the bottom, yeah?
Yep. Alright, time for some four-wheel driving. Okay. I'm gonna lock the diffs, put in low range. Alright, we're good to go, brother. That's quite an angle. Just rolling this up very easily. Hope I didn't speak too soon. Alrighty, Daniel coming down the first hill. Oh, actually, I should get the two-way off them later. That's what I was gonna get off you. Cheers, buddy. Nice drive.
I might scrape for you.
Yeah, might.
I scraped on the way out.
Yeah. Oh, flex shot. Oh. Look at that tuck in the arse end. Looks like a lowrider. No sway bar life.
Should we get yours up and compare?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Mine was doing the same thing. There we go, lads, there's the difference. No sway bars, digging trenches, lifting wheels, that one over there. No sway bars. Tucking wheels.
So into a little foresty drive looking place. Oh yeah, bro. Do you want to go a bit to your right? Yeah, that'll do. Right, your left wheel's going to come up in the air. Bit more to your left. Bit more. There you go. You want to go a bit to your right now?
There it is.
Yep. See, the problem I'm seeing is that your left is not right. So you need to bring your left into the right. Pretty much. Go from there. Now more left turn. Then, yeah, left turn. More left. Yep. And you're past. You're free, Mr. Daniel, you're free! So that's how you do it. Woohoo! How was that?
Intense.
Oh, I bet.
Very much so. I'm looking forward to seeing that footage.
Oh yeah, you made it up though. Bloody oath.
Whoa. Go a bit of right hand down, you're heading straight towards that ditch. Your sills are right there, but I reckon you should be able to hop up and over. That's what I had to do. Yeah?
Can I go any far left?
You got room too?
And he's up, almost. Yeah. This is gonna be a bit of a scary mission for me. Oh my flipping god, there's mud there. Okay. That was an action shot. With a bit of mud on me. That's alright. It's not that bad, is it? Didn't get on the lens, that's good. Alright, so we finished our track for today. We're just going to air up. But look at Daniel's car. His valve caps. His Jaguar valve caps. Mudjua, that's it.
Have a look at the one on the rear right.
Rear right? Alright, we'll have a look at the one on the rear right. Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
$5 if you can find the front right.
Right there.
I thought it was in here.
Right, anyways guys, so we're gonna air up and start heading home. Just see the difference between my car and Daniel's car. As you can see, my car's nice and clean. A little bit. Well, yes it is. And then you look at Dan's car, nice and muddy. So, obviously he had a lot of fun. In saying that, I had a lot of fun too. First place for Tommy! Guys, sorry I wasn't able to end the vlog at the scene. My vlogging camera decided to die. I was on the second battery, I was on the spare battery, but you know, that died as well. So that's a bit unfortunate. But what can you do? I guess that means we got a lot of footage in. The pictures I've taken, they're gonna be on my Adventure Rates Facebook channel, Facebook page. and they will be also on my Instagram page as well, so go check them out. The links are in the description below. I hope you guys like those photos, and most importantly, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, bye! Front left.
Told ya.